Daddy, where's your toy? Daddy, are you gonna honk for me?
We went back to the medical building to try and catch the sick orange kitten that we couldn't get the day before. He was still hiding behind the locked gate and was very difficult to catch, so we brought out the drop trap. Luckily, we were able to trap him on the first try. He didn't want to transfer himself, so we had to hand transfer him into the smaller crate. Once we got him home, we started assessing him. We weighed him and looked him over. He had a lot of flea dirt, feces stuck around his tail, little cuts on his face, and exceptionally dirty ears. We dewormed him. We cleaned his ears, which consisted of a lot of scrubbing as there was built-on dirt since his birth. We cleaned his little eyes and cut off the matted poop. Once we got him cleaned up, he was more at ease. We were able to reunite him with his sister, and now they are both under our care.
Je l'ai disputé, il est pas content, il est rancunier. Essaye. Tu vas faire quoi? Bouge.
I just heard something drop. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did you do? What did you do?
You already know. I'm about to feed him. Okay, this one's going on the bunk bed so they don't fight. Oh, careful. Don't put your paws in it. I can take it off. Oh, slowly. There you go, bud. Good boy. Okay, slower. We actually graduated. We're a little bit more experienced now, so I'm going to feed 2 at a time. I know, sounds crazy, but I think I can handle it here. So I'm starting just to hold them like this, so they don't dunk their face in. Oh, there you go. That's the most gradual one we've ever had. I think they ate too much.